Hiya, welcome to DocWobTV, Farleigh Castle 2025. I've got to say, it was touch and go there for a little while. The weather on Wednesday was looking sketchy. We were always going to run, but the boys have done a job with the track. The track is absolutely prime, you can't believe it. It's a little bit soggy underfoot down here, but it's all about the track, and the track is providing some good racing. The bikes are coming back not even dirty. So, and there's a lot of people here. We've never seen the car park that busy. They keep sending down for more wristbands, so I guess we've got plenty of people on site. So yeah, we're happy, it's busy. The guys are all happy. We've been making a few small adjustments. Working with Guy Martin on his bike, he's happy. It's all smiles all around.
Hey everybody, Jeff Rowe here. We are at Farley for the VMXDN. Probably wondering this year, I raced this last year, not this year, I've got other obligations I've got to do, but I've got to say I'm absolutely gutted. When I rocked up this morning, it's Saturday, I saw a bike coming through the pits and the dirt stuck to the front plate. Was like, listen, I've eaten a lot of dirt in my career and I felt like actually going up to him, taking it off his number plate and having a taste of Farley, because it's that good. Last year when I raced it, it was a little bit drier and I got behind, I can't remember who it was now. Oh yeah, Greg Hansen on a 500 KX and he just roosted me. It wasn't so good, but anyway, like I said, I'm not riding it this year, but I still obviously try to get out to this event because it is so cool. On a personal level, Farley is one of my all-time favourite tracks. It's right in the top 3 of my favourite tracks, so I absolutely love it. And right now, the conditions are so good. We've had obviously a really dry summer, but I bet Dave was really glad that it actually ended up raining because the track is absolutely on point. Regards of an event, what can I say? It's just the history of Farley. If you've been involved with the sport as long as I have, or next generation, it means something. That's the point. Farley is part of our British history. I mean, just over there on that corner, David Thorpe got taken down in the first corner and then come all the way back to first. I wasn't here that day, but I was watching it on, I think they'd done a rerun on BBC on the day, and we were still at a race meeting, right? And we had a tough decision, like, do we get home? We're not going to make it home in time. So we stayed at the venue. We were the last people in the field, and we managed to get the TV tuned in. And I remember that caravan absolutely rocking. We nearly broke the axle cheering at the TV when Thorpe came through the pack. So for me, it's such an iconic venue. I know they're friends of mine, but like Wobbs and obviously Dave, who started this thing way back, just huge kudos to them, because in the last decade or more, certainly since we've also gone to Fox Hill, they have literally made arguably the biggest events in the UK. There's no two ways about it. But the way it makes you feel, and that's what I love more than anything about these events. It's not about the riding, it's about the memories, the history, the people that you meet. I obviously go to a lot of national level motocross Grand Prix, and you feel the seriousness of that, the tension, but we're here, you just get that nice vibe, and that's what makes, for me, like Farley and Fox Hill so good to be at. So I'm going to enjoy today. I don't even have to drive home, so I'm going to have an ice cream at some point, I think, behind me, and I'm going to have a couple of beers. What's the time? I haven't got a watch on, but I think it's beer time. So there we go. If you've never been to one of these events, either Farley or Fox Hill, please come along. You'll be glad you did.
Engineers over here. Where's my coffee anyway?
I thought you would be coming.
No.
Come on. Right, that's what's happening. I'm Guy Martin, and this is DocWoBTV.
Right, guys, so you're riding one of DocWob's, shall we say, creations.
Legendary YZ250s, yeah. DocWob's the
Just
man.
been out for first practice.
Yeah.
How was that?
I'm shit.
Do you think that the bike is, shall we say, a completely
We can't
different
talk
world?
about a motorbike. The operator is the limiting factor to this. But I will learn. I'll suss it out in some way or other. No, I mean, the bike's great. The bike's great. The bike's great. But yeah. I can't make an educated comment about anything to do with the track or the motorbike because I have not been factor.
What brought you to want to ride at Farley?
I didn't want to DocWob's bikes. DocWob's a legend. I wanted to ride one of his bikes. And then came through Greg and Alex with a land speed job. And Greg's a mate of DocWob's. And I says, I can't remember anyway, he's doing some dyno work for the 400 mile an hour project, which I'm sort of part, I'm not really part of it, but I'm piloting it. I have my own land speed job. But anyway, Greg says, I can get you to go on one of DocWob's bikes, and that's how we ended up here. So I sold up, I knew we was doing this, or maybe 3, 4, 5 months ago, something like that. Greg says, you can ride one of DocWob's, well, that'll be mint. So I thought, I sold up at home, I sold me 450 and got a 250 in preparation for this. But mate, I've just been out busy. It's been out the shed twice.
Right.
Once in a stubble field, once on a motocross track, mate. So that was in preparation for this, mate, but I haven't done anything. Been that busy at work, farming, engines, and then any spare time I've had, I'm trialling.
Do you think that, are you starting to understand why people are so drawn to Farley and this kind of event nowadays, bringing the 90s back?
Mate, love the two strokes, always. Love the whiff of a bit of MR12, you know what I mean? Love a bit of that. Yeah, I can see it, mate. Good crack, decent people, innit? Decent folk, nice folk, polite people. Track's mint's not massively extreme, is it? You know what I mean?
No,
couple of jumps.
Friendly track.
Yeah,
No big drop-offs.
Couple of jumps. Yeah, it's nothing mad, is it? Don't matter, I'm just going to go have a wobble around. I'm going to have a wobble around.
No, never.
Yeah.
It's up to you. You haven't got it if you don't want it. Don't worry about it. You're not letting us down. If you don't go out, it's not an issue. So here we are between races. Sam's just got a result. He's won. He was wringing its neck, in fairness. This is the bike that he raced last year, so it's the ex-Filippo bike, I believe.
Yes, Filippo bike.
Ex-Filippo bike. Plugs a little on the lean side, so we'll just go slightly bigger on the main. We went bigger on the main for practice because, to be honest, I thought we were going to be more paddling around in the mud, but it's been perfect. So
It was dry, so
we're at 187 right now. 187.
no 178. So we'll go
178. Dyslexic, mate. So we'll go 180. I think.
180 and just see where's that.
I don't think we'll need to put a filter in it. I don't think there's going to be much else to do. He's happy. He got the whole shot. Bike rips.
So we'll just
Don't mess with it. Don't fix it if it ain't broke, kid.
Hi, I'm Rob Herring. I'm riding a DocWob prepared Yamaha YZ250 in the Evo Ultra Over 50 class. I've had my first race. Not the results that I wanted. I was up there, got up to 4th place in a bad start and crashed and banged my leg pretty hard. I thought at one point I broke my leg. So I sort of rested for about a minute, the pain subsided, got back on, rode back to the pits, got myself changed, got clean gear on, checked my leg, I'm all fine, and I'm raring to go for the second moto. So I really enjoyed it. The track is in prime condition. I mean, it's really, really grippy. I don't think I've ever seen Farley quite as good. It's a good crowd here. It's a good riders. Got some really stacked talent in every class. You know, Tico Chiodi, Mark Eastwood, Doug Dubach in my race. All really top level ex-world champions, ex-British champions. So looking forward to having 3 more great races and try and put on a better show.
Hi, I'm Doug Dubach, and you're watching DocWobTV.
So, as you can see, we managed to get the Pastrana 125 2000 finished. We had it on display at Fox Hill, we had it on display here. Thing looks $1 million, but to give the bike justice, we'll go through it in the workshop, show you what it looks like, and show you the finished article.
Yeah, hello, this is Doug Dubach. We're here at the Farleigh Vets and 2025. And this weekend I'm riding a stolen Yamaha, and great bike, beautiful bike. Track's amazing. I've been a little lucky with the weather so far, but you know, coming here every year, it's kind of #1 on my bucket list. You know, every year I find a way to get back, and been coming a lot of years, and it's a special place. You know, it's got a lot of history. Track's a lot of fun. Spectators are great. It's a good vibe to be here at Farley. And yeah, this year I'm on a YZ250. I've ridden 500s here several times, and I don't know, you know, it's kind of give and take. I do love the 250 because, yeah, you can ride it a little more aggressively and you feel a little younger on it. The 500, you feel your age on the 500.
Farleigh Castle 25. The track's been absolutely mint, which I didn't think it would be because it's been raining a lot, but the boys have worked on the track and got it like plasticine. It was really good. Plenty of people, good crowd. We got live band in the beer tent tonight. Starting to drink a few beers, no big bike dramas. Alessio had a bit of an ankle issue, but he'll be all right. He's tough old boy, isn't he? So that's it for this race. Like and subscribe, all that shit.